most favorite part, lighting in this bathroom is to die for. It's getting harder and harder. So much of the footage for this vlog was lost when my computer decided to break completely, but that's okay. Some of it was salvaged, and I want to take you guys along with me finding a new home here in Chicago. Right now, I'm writing down my top 5 must-haves. I must have a bathtub. I must have hardwood floors. I must have great natural lighting. I must have great bathroom lighting, and it must be cozy. Yeah, I think my most favorite part is the windows, and then like coming into these separate spaces like this. Like this is so nice, and this kitchen is unbelievably. Is this a back door that actually works for a different stairwell? Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's so great. And the kitchen, this kitchen is huge. It's like a whole other like, and the bathroom is really nice too with great lighting, which is something that I wanted. It's really good lighting. Layout is just what your properties all look like. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And this lighting in this bathroom is to die for. So good in here. I usually rarely have good bathroom lighting. Office space, and it's like right there by the tree. Like I kind of like that. I feel like I'm getting a little bonus, even though there's less space in here. I'm very excited because I looked at some great apartments and filled out the application, and I was approved. And so the following day, as I was preparing to run my errands, I did get a call from my leasing agent who explained to me that unfortunately my application was not approved and she was not going to be able to lease me the space. This was a very difficult thing to hear. Thankfully, I originally had not planned to move until June, and so I spoke with her and I asked her, you know, sort of what was the issue, and the major concern was my income, and she wanted to know if I had any documentation that could supplement my income, and I told her that I did not, and that it was my intention to move forward primarily with just my part-time income, but that I would follow up with her in another 30 days to see whether or not there were any changes in my income or credit, to see what we could do in terms of me being able to lease from her property. So that went on for about a week. Then she spoke with her supervisor, and her supervisor executed it. I'm not exactly for sure what that means, but essentially her supervisor okayed it for me to be able to move into this space. I'm going to do a separate video about that entire process because I do think that there were many things at play that enabled me to be approved, even though my credit and my income were not necessarily in the best place with respect to being able to move into a new home. Nevertheless, I was approved, and at the recording of this, I was still anticipating moving June 1st, but things changed again, and I had to move my move date to May 1st. And so I am just now writing a list of all the things that I want to do to make that happen. I'm running errands. I'm going to stop at the post office. I need to send these shoes and these shoes back to my mom, but I wanted to show you guys some of the things. This is also going to my mom. This is amazing, but I didn't have a good reaction to it, so it's going to my mom. But this is a vase that was in my old office, but I'm going to put it on like Craigslist upsell or something like that and sell it. So don't think I'm doing marble in the new place. The same with this vase. This vase is actually really nice. I kind of want to keep it, but I don't know if I'm doing silver. I'm going to keep this little time machine. Let me take that out of here. But these are some little pieces that were in my office that I'm going to be selling, but I figured I would share with you all first because you guys are the community that supports me the most. So if you want it, just let me know. I will put it in there. This is actually the wallpaper that I had in my office. I love wallpaper. I love words. I love script. And so this is like a little bit of a roll that was left over, and I'm hoping to do some sort of art piece in my new home with this wallpaper, just because I really loved my old office and I didn't get to spend a lot of time there because I suddenly moved here to Chicago. And so I'm going to try to do some sort of an art piece with that, because I don't think it's enough to cover a full wall, but I do think that it's enough to like do something amazing. These are some cards that I need to send out. This full box of thank you cards. So this is on the agenda today too. Getting boxes to mail this stuff, getting boxes to prepare so that when that's sold, that can be mailed, and sort of maybe thinking through an art project. All I can think about is my cozy little office nook. I am so excited about moving into the studio space. One of the things I loved about this property or this property management company is the way that they chose to divide their studio spaces, which makes you feel like you're getting more because the living and bedroom space is separate from the kitchen. But I'm so excited about that bonus office space in my new home. Okay, I just want you to know what's about to happen. Because it's 5:25 now and I don't intend on moving until this entire season is done. So this will be my life for a bit, because it's going to take a week to get the computer repaired. So much laundry. I have so much laundry, guys. This big flower bag. Can you guys tell I like flowers? And then just put it in my carry-on. Make it a little easier. Make it a little easier to roll. In my mind, it's a little easier. This is all my laundry, and for the most part, my full wardrobe, which is kind of scary, but kind of awesome at the same time. I have a couple errands. Maybe you guys can see me. We don't have very good light today, but I have a couple errands that I need to run. I wanted to show you guys, I am packing. These are some giveaways, some trash, some things I need to ship to friends and family. But my closet is all packed. Just gonna grab some shoes. Excited that my closet is all packed. It's getting more and more real every day. It's getting harder and harder every day also. I am trying to cope as best I can. I think this rest week was really helpful because I got a chance to just like not have to really, not that I didn't work, but I guess I just didn't necessarily have to be creative, or didn't, I was creative, but I guess I just didn't have to. I felt very much able to like relax and lean into getting the rest that I needed to get. And now it's just getting my errands taken care of, and we're Ubering there because that's just what we're gonna do.